is everywhere. Anything that moves, or anything that can be moved, is the beginning of music. Everything has a frequency, therefore we all are frequencies. Any sound can be the birth of a melody, and every sound can potentially turn into a piece of music. Even the air, with a little help from wind, creates sound. Recording sounds in a field or a forest is almost a collaboration with nature. We are sound collectors, aiming for raw sounds. By recording in nature, we give our music an earthly touch. Natural textures mixed with instruments, trippy melodies mixed with deep bass and broken beats. All of these aspects give us a visual story told by sound design and arrangement. We are able to share our souls through sound. I don't like the separation between us and nature that currently seems to be happening on our planet. Separation creates imbalance. By recording nature, we are bringing balance to electronic music. We are inviting nature to perform music with us. Nature creates ambient sounds, melody-like patterns, blowing crispy textures, layers of frequencies, like travelers with wind. Very soft and gentle, even when powerful and sometimes terrifying.
The next station is Birmingham Moore Street. This train terminates here. All change. Alight here for Birmingham New Street Station. Please ensure that you take all your personal belongings with you when leaving the train.
Every city has its unique vibration and can be recognized by its sound. characteristic reverb, urban jungle never sleeps. It speaks to you even when you do. City noises, in comparison to nature, are metallic, drum percussive sounds, seeming like a total chaos, and yet in the same time, like an orchestra in crescendo. A train is like a time travel capsule. The difference is that the journey is more important than the destination. A lot of time to think while looking at the passing towns and landscapes. The train has a beat rhythm for you. Melody will naturally follow, soon after you get lost in your thoughts, staring through the window. Clearing your mind, blinding your thoughts, fading into nothingness. Creativity kicks in, boiling ideas unravel in front of your eyes, opening up to new stories. Pensive feelings, disconnected thoughts from ego, moments lost in time. Tales of the night, marimba warrior, hunting for rhythm, fishing for melodies. Under the bridge stories, woodwind warrior, searching for reverb, conversations with echo.
I don't consider myself as a musician or a DJ. I feel rather more like a creator of my own musical world, based on my own rules. A world where I can go on a journey strange and familiar at the same time. Our goal is to perform musical acts where there's space for improvisation, radical tempo changes, live remixes, sampling on the go, and using field recordings. We like our performance to be a bit different than the previous one. Every sound can tell you a different story, but only if you have a time to stop and listen. Digbeth. Place full of old empty warehouses, closed factories, car parks, garages, dark streets, graffiti. Dying industrial area allow culture and art to flourish with underground clubs, galleries and cultural centers. Is a place where for the first time someone aimed at me with a gun. The moment when you leave the city and you spend some time with the nature, in solitude, with no disturbance of gadgets or talkative company. Your senses become sharper, and your mind become clear. It feels like long-lost relationship with the nature renew its ties. You realize that you are part of one powerful force, life. There is no separation, and self is no more. Confusion is gone. You can relax finally. You can finally relax. Because this special moment has so much to offer. Thoughts about city lifestyle sometimes can make you shiver. This noisy concrete hive attracts animals with delight, food and comfort. Here, wearing different type of colors give you a different routine and category. Choosing from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m., 6 till 2, 7 till 4, 9 till 5, 5 till 11, 10 at night till 7 in the morning. There's always someone awake. There is freedom to choose your uniform and freedom to choose your payment. Wireless and contactless are the most popular ways to interact. Caffeine, nicotine, sugar and TV helps you go through your week. Alcohol, cocaine, pills, ketamine, shrooms, acid let you feel alive on the weekends. It's almost like a trap to keep us all occupied. But there is a possibility to find an alternative route in art. Art of meditation. Art of capturing moments in pictures and songs. Expressing through dance. Stopping time in clay, bronze, wood. Writing stories, poems, songs. Being creative. Designing your own reality.
I can hear the silence. Like God speaking to me.